Vodafone Idea also reported their fourth quarter numbers after the market hours today. The net loss for the telecom operator widened to 7675 crores, in Q4 versus 6419 crores in the previous year. Revenue and EBITDA improved marginally. Average revenue per user, ARPU, also improved slightly from about 145 to 146 now, and 135 in the previous year, primarily aided by entry level plans and subscriber updates. Now, speaking of entry level plans, Vodafone has also launched a prepaid plan of just rupees 1 yesterday. And even this morning, sir, the stock is up about 0.75%, but has been pretty much in that range of about 12 on the downside and 15 on the upside. But considering that there is a lot of buzz around the telecom sector and specifically Vodafone Idea, what's your view on the stock?
By Bharti Airtel.
By Bharti Airtel. All right, all right.
Let me just give you a quick 30-second explanation on this. This is hope, this is promises not delivered. This is a very overcrowded trade. Vodafone Idea has been in the news, as you said, for all sorts of reasons, but hasn't really translated into price action. Now, 12 to 14 is a fair range that you mentioned. Perhaps I'll push it a little higher and say 16. As and when the price moves beyond 16, I know it's a slightly higher range, but if it moves above 16, sustains above that, is when I will consider any kind of long trade. Up until then, this might perhaps be one of those stocks where it continues to trade in a range, gives you a hope and then fizzles out. So let the price action confirm that indeed there is something happening on the on the right side, and then we'd consider. Opposed to this, if you see Bharti, it's been making strides, it's been adding on to the gains, and that is a very clear pure play on the telecom sector, which has delivered. So for me, Bharti would be a very clear choice, especially when you compare it to the likes of Vodafone.